Okay, the smell is...
Do it.
We tried to eat like locals in Huế and we failed. Most people come to Huế for the food, but nobody tells them how to eat.
So today we have one rule.
We only eat like locals.
No TikTok research, no famous places.
And honestly, no idea what we're doing.
For our breakfast, we start with the most iconic Huế dish. I guess every one of you already heard about it. It's Bún Bò Huế. Eivie, what does Bún Bò mean?
Very simple. Bún means noodle. Bò means beef. Bún bò, beef noodle.
Before we start, let's take a look how this bowl is built. First, silky rice noodles topped with tender beef shank. Then, two incredible balls, pork and crab. A slice of duck blood cake, fresh chives, and the family's secret seasoning. And finally, the grand final, a broth slow cooked for full 24 hours. Rich, spicy, and absolutely unforgettable.
And now, let's dig in.
You're doing it wrong.
Why?
First, pick the lime.
Okay. Lime.
Squeeze around. Now, saute chili.
Chili.
Just a little bit.
Let's
I'm warning you. The rule of eating bún bò is mixing.
With both chopstick and spoon?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can add vegetables if you want.
Not for now.
Okay.
And now again.
Now try again.
Totally different. Really clear broth with a lot of flavor, like a flavor bomb. What's the special ingredients here?
That's a secret about Huế food. I'll show you later.
This was definitely a great start in our food exploration series. The Bún Bò Huế was amazing. What place we are?
Bún Bò Huế, Sen.
Price affordable, 50,000 Vietnam dong, about $1.50. And now we need to check out where all the food comes, so we will head to the market. Soon we are going to visit the famous Đông Ba market here in Huế. But for now, we are going to eat Cơm Hến. Cơm means rice and Hến means baby clams. The family operating that restaurant is the Hoa Dong family. I'm really excited and we are going to dig in now. Okay, Eivie, another restaurant, another food surprise. The smell is really good, so what do we have here?
Many great ingredients. It starts with a bowl of rice, garnished with fresh coriander, a spoon of MSG, peanut sauce and fish sauce, a handful of baby clams, fresh peanuts, crispy pork skin, finished with a homemade spicy sauce and shredded mango. Simple ingredients, insane flavor.
Yes, and I will try.
No! Again! Mix it!
Ah,
Mix.
always here in Vietnam. First mix and then eat. Okay, so I need to try to get one big bite of everything. So I have the crispy pork skin here. I have the vegetables, I have the rice. Oh, that looks good. Okay, and now?
If you want more salty, you can add fish sauce and garlic. If you want, but
I guess that's the home recipe. Smells really fishy, but I will try. Maybe just a bit. Put in here.
Yeah.
Over there. And then the second bite. The second bite always tells the truth. So again, a big bite with everything. I guess the fish sauce with the garlic adds another layer on top. So gives the really good. Now you have the salty, you have the crispy from the pork skin, you have the fresh from the coriander and the mango.
à. Dạ cho con hỏi là quán này có ở đây được bao nhiêu năm rồi?
Quán này là với bạn 43 năm rồi.
43 years. Mà mỗi ngày thì đa số là khách du lịch hay là người dân ở đây?
Cả dân người khách tự sự, khách du lịch nhiều.
Both locals and tourists. Mỗi ngày dì có ước chừng được là khoảng có bao nhiêu khách không?
Không, hăng hà xa số cũng đi.
She cannot count how many customers come in here every day. It's like always packed like this. Rồi, cảm ơn.
Ok, thank you.
One of the most iconic in Huế, chợ Đông Ba. To understand the food, we need to understand where it comes from. Ở Huế thì mọi người hay ăn gì hả chị?
Dạ, ở Huế thì người ta ăn cũng đơn giản lắm chị, nhưng mà đậm đà.
It's like very simple but full of flavor. So come here.
If I take a look here, everything looks really, really great. But my friends, be happy you cannot smell through the camera because the smell is really, really fishy. So it smells like if you stand on a fishing boat, the sea, the salt water. And here, this is the first product, and then it comes to this one here. Okay, the smell is okay, salty, fishy. It's a flavor bomb, I guess. Thank you. I think the whole day I will have the shrimp flavor in my mouth.
Busy food store is a good sign. We're gonna try Bún Thịt Nướng right now. Bún means noodle, thịt nướng means grilled pork. Let's go. Mời cho chị một bún thịt nướng.
Now it's time for my first Bún Thịt Nướng here in Huế. I'm really curious.
Mix it. Mix up everything.
Okay. So what we have here, I see banana blossom flower. We have salad, lettuce, rice noodles, and this is
Grilled pork.
grilled pork. Okay. And now I think I need to put everything in one bite, right?
Mix them
So
well.
a bit banana blossom, a bit salad, cucumber, noodle, and
How is it?
delicious.
Totally different.
So first mix and then eat. Thank you. The consistency of the dishes are really slimy. So the sauce is like a slimy sauce. Taste peanut, the rice noodle, the vegetables and the beef together. Really good combination. I think I will taste one of the chilies. Okay, maybe not the smartest idea.
Really?
Hot.
I think you're pretending. Can you guess how much is the bún thịt nướng? only 20k Vietnam dong, means like 80 cents.
Before it's time for the sweet grand final. And my friends, trust me, it's something you will never expect. But back to here. We are back at the Đông Ba market, this time at night. And now it's time for another typical Huế dish.
Look at those dishes. Bánh Bèo. Bánh means cake. Bèo is, it has the shape of the water fern. And double surprise inside the banana leaf. Let's find out.
It starts with a small bowl of rice flour pancake, topped with roasted onions, shredded shrimp for the seafood flavor, and for the perfect crunch, crispy pork skin. Simple, light, and absolutely addictive.
And you know what I've learned here in Vietnam? If you sit on plastic chairs and they are way too small for you and you're afraid that they break down on your weight, then you always get good food. And now, let's dig in. Already smells really good, and they have a spoon, and I love sauces, so I will put the sauce on top. And then, let's go inside.
No, that's not the right way.
It's the right way?
Okay, put it down. Now, use the spoon. Put a little bit of the sauce.
Only a little bit,
Yeah.
not like before.
You should taste first,
Okay.
and then you do like very skillful to take it out of the bowl. Yeah,
It's a bit more
that's
easy.
right, that's right.
And now, as always,
I enjoy looking at you doing things wrong. A lot of chilies.
and we are in Huế, and Huế is the home of my favorite beer, Huda. So I think it fits really well if we have street food paired with Huda beer. And Vietnam style, drink it with ice. And now we only need to solve the mystery of that banana blossom. Huh?
Do not eat the banana leaf. Unwrap.
Another mystery I solved today.
What's inside?
I don't know. Something sticky. So it's sticky rice again, filled with
Shrimp.
shrimp and pork.
Oh,
And the last one, I think that's things they use in Vietnam for eating and for building homes, right?
yeah.
It gets in between of the bricks and they stick together. Looks like I'm not going to learn how to eat Vietnamese food, right?
I think you try your best, but eating Vietnamese food is not something easy for foreigners, I think.
With that in my mind, I think it's time to change to the sweet part, or sweet, savory. I don't know, we will see.
There are so many things. Can you believe there are 13 different types of dessert? Yeah.
I don't have any clue what it is, but I guess the star of today's show is this one. What it is?
Like rice dough, but the special thing is
Pork, right?
inside.
And
yeah,
sweet.
Right.
Ah, yeah.
How does it taste?
So weird.
Weird.
So first you think you have a sweet dessert, and after the second bite, the roasted pork is coming through. The thing you normally want in a banh mi, right?
For me, it's not so bad.
It's not bad, but it's weird. Definitely weird.
Super weird.
And now the rest, sweet mashed potato. that tastes like something for babies. And here looks banana.
Hey, put coconut milk in.
Banana is good with coconut milk. And this?
Mung beans or lentils.
All kind of vegetable and fruits, but sweet. And here, beans.
Beans. White beans. Sweet.
I like beans in a salad, but not with sugar syrup. And this one looks like poo. That's another bean there.
Another type of bean. You need to choose the star tonight.
So this one is not bad,
The banana.
but mixed with coconut milk, banana and some jelly inside. That's kind of good. Coconut milk and banana. I guess my favorite.
You know what's the secret? You have to try everything to know which one you like best.
But anyway, that have been a lot of different dessert dishes. And that shop, pack. The street, pack. So if you want to have a weird food experience in Hue, come to that place. I hope you enjoyed our food special here. We tried a lot of different street food.
And made a lot of mistakes.
I am a foreigner in that country. So normally I use fork and knife, easy going, just cut and eat. Here, some kind you need to mix, some kind not, but everything was really delicious. If you like our video, as always, put the thumbs up, subscribe our channel, then Matty will taste more of that weird pork borscht. And we'll see you at our next adventure. Bye bye.